You got Danco. This is Danco for Delta. It's a cheaper brand than Delta. This is the Delta shower faucet leaks. And this is $40. 2025 low. Let's open the Allen wrench 332 nut and just pull it out because this rectangular that only fits one way. There's also a rectangular hole in here. Now just remove this screw on the wall plate and then twist this out. It's best to record while you're doing it because see this hole here is the Allen wrench nut goes in.